For office cleaning staff, we recommend wearing the right disposable gloves matched to the task for reliable hand protection from germs and chemicals. Use single-use nitrile gloves for most disinfecting and chemical cleaning because they resist punctures and many solvents better than latex and provide reliable barrier protection. For handling food waste or light janitorial tasks, vinyl gloves can be acceptable, but change them frequently since they tear more easily and have lower chemical resistance. For heavy-duty jobs that involve solvents or prolonged wet work, such as floor stripping or degreasing, use thicker nitrile or chemical-resistant gloves labeled for the specific solvent you are using since standard thin gloves will break. Down. Consider double gloving by putting on a thinner inner glove and a thicker outer glove when you need extra puncture resistance, or when changing between high and low hazard tasks to avoid cross-contamination. Remove the outer glove first, and then the inner glove to keep hands clean. Always fit gloves properly so fingers are not overly tight or too loose, which causes tears or impaired dexterity. Check fit before starting and keep a range of sizes on hand for different workers. Replace gloves immediately if torn, heavily soiled, or if you switch between handling disinfectants and other surfaces, and dispose of them in lined waste containers following local regulations for contaminated waste. 3 common mistakes are reusing single-use gloves, which spreads contaminants and weakens barrier protection, so always discard after one task and put on a new pair. Using the wrong glove material for the chemical, which causes glove failure. So consult manufacturer chemical compatibility charts and upgrade to chemical-resistant gloves when needed, and wearing gloves that are the wrong size, which causes tearing or reduced control, so stock multiple sizes and train staff on proper fit and removal technique. We run bighomeprojects.com to connect homeowners with local contractors and to help contractors find new jobs and projects. Our site also hosts a discussion community where users share practical tips and local recommendations about cleaning products and protective equipment.